Aronix is an erectile dysfunction treatment which can be obtained without a prescription. Aronix contains sildenafil 50 mg and is designed for men aged 18 and over with erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is when a man cannot get or maintain an erection that is hard enough for sexual intercourse or masturbation. Erections depend on many factors, including proper blood flow to the penis. For example, if the blood flow to the penis is not adequate, it can cause erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a common problem and can affect men differently. Some men cannot get an erection, other men can get an erection but it may not be hard enough for intercourse, or they may lose their erection before or during intercourse. Active ingredients. The active ingredient sildenafil belongs to a group of medicines called phosphodiesterase type 5 inhibitors. Sildenafil works to relax the blood vessels in your penis, allowing blood to flow into your penis when you get sexually aroused, causing an erection. Aronix will only help you to get an erection if you are sexually stimulated. Indications. Aronix is indicated in adult men with erectile dysfunction, which is the inability to achieve or maintain a penile erection sufficient for satisfactory sexual performance. In order for Aronix to be effective, sexual stimulation is required. How to use. 150 mg Aronix tablet is recommended to be taken with water approximately 1 hour before sexual activity. The treatment can work sooner for some men and effects last for 4 hours and therefore can be taken up to 4 hours before. The maximum dosage is 150 mg tablet per day. Aronix can be taken with or without food. However, if taken with a meal, especially if it has a high fat content, a response may be delayed. When taking Aronix, avoid drinking grapefruit juice or large amounts of alcohol. Aronix will help you get and keep an erection if you are sexually aroused, not by taking Aronix alone. You and your partner should engage in foreplay, just as you would if you were not taking a medicine for erectile dysfunction. If you are not successful the first time, relax and be patient and try again. For most men, Aronix will work the first or second time. If it has been some time since you were able to get or keep an erection, it may take a couple of attempts before you are able to achieve an erection. Warnings and cautions. 1 tablet per day. Do not exceed the started dosage. Keep out of the sight and reach of children. Do not take with grapefruit or grapefruit juice. Avoid consuming large amounts of alcohol, as this can temporarily reduce your ability to get an erection and affect how Aronix works. Seek medical advice if any of the below becomes a concern. Headaches, hot flashes, feeling sick, dizziness, indigestion, a congested or blocked nose. Changes to your sight, such as blurred vision or blood-tinted vision. Stop taking Aronix and immediately seek medical attention if you experience any of the following. Chest pain, a persistent and sometimes painful erection lasting longer than 4 hours. A sudden decrease or lost vision, an allergic reaction such as wheeziness, difficulty breathing or dizziness, swelling of the eyelids, face, lips or throat, serious skin reaction, seizures or fits. Seek medical advice to ensure that your erection problems are not caused by a serious health condition after 6 months of taking Aronix. Erectile dysfunction may be an early sign of heart and blood vessel problems, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol.